In this video, I will show you how to add user roles for your Discord server on mobile. So to get started, go ahead and click on your Discord server's name. So you'll find that at the top of your screen. And then in here, click on the settings button. So this is represented by the gear icon. Scroll down and then click on rules under user management. And then click on the plus button at the top right of your screen to add a user role. So in here, you can go ahead and create a role name, and then you can also go ahead and select the role color. So simply select the role color and then click on the save button at the top right of the pop-up. Now click on create to continue creating this, and then in here you can go ahead and select the permission that you want to give to this user. So you can go ahead and select that by clicking on that select button under that specific permission type. Now go ahead and add a member for that role and then click on that finish button. And that's basically how you can add user roles for your Discord server on mobile.